Now, although I did say that reports are very similar to forms in the way that you create them more than anything, if you want to sort your data in a report, it is slightly different than a form. So if we take our report RPT Customers All, we find that they do not appear to be sorted. However, I know that they are. They're sorted by the same order as the table, which is the primary key. Therefore, their customer ID. But I would like this data to be sorted alphabetically by last name. So in order to sort the report differently to the source data that's underneath the report, then we need to be in Design View. We then choose from the Design sub-ribbon Group and Sort. This then brings up a separate section in the design area at the bottom here, where you can add a group or add a sort. I would like to sort my data, so I click Add a Sort, and I choose the field I would like to sort by. Well, it's last name. There you can see Sort by Last Name with A on top. The options are with Z on top. That's alphabetical or anti-alphabetical. Now I can also add in a secondary sort, First Name, and then we get this little hierarchy group in here. Sort by last name, sort by first name. Let's view that and see if it works. And it does appear to. Lots of Adams there. Alan, and then Albrecht, and then Alexander. Where there are repeating surnames, of which there are quite a few, you then see that they're sorted by first name. So that's group and sort to bring this bottom area up, and then add a sort. If you need to move a sort or remove a sort, moving is the little arrows here or here, so for up and down, changes the order that things are sorted in. If you need to remove a sort altogether, it's the X at the end. Delete, delete, and the sort's then gone, and you'll find that your data is back in table order, which in the case of our data is the customer's ID, the primary key. So if I put back on my sorts by last name and first name, we could then save this report with a different name. File, save as, save object as, save object as, save as. Lots of clicks there, isn't there? RPT sorted customers. Okay. And that gives you your report sorted by the fields that you've chosen to sort it by. You can see that sorting a report is slightly different from a query and even from a table in Datasheet view, in that you have to do it in the properties. It's not a simple select the correct column and sort. You effectively have to say, well, I'd like to do some sorting, and then tell it which column or columns you would like to sort by.